Hey everybody, and welcome to the next episode on the Crosscut Crafters channel. In today's video we are tufting a custom rug for the Demolitia. Do you know who the Demolitia are? Those are the fans of Matt and Mare, Off the Ranch, Demolition Ranch, Bunker Branding, because Bunker Branding's where I got this image from. And before you ask, no, I will not make you one of these rugs. This rug is from one of their sticker packs, or this image is from one of their sticker packs. I decided to take it, turn it into a rug, and after I have the money, I'm going to send it to Bunker Branding as a gift. If you would like to help expedite that part of the process, don't forget I do have a Give, Send, Go linked in the video description. I'm actually planning to make a few rugs from different Bunker Branding images. Here's a clue for you. Let's see if you can figure out what I'm going to be making. Okay, Demolitia. Don't tell Mare that I smile more while watching The Fat Electrician. Let's see if you can figure out the clues for the future videos. Now, just sit back, relax, and enjoy this rug tufting video. So now I've ran into my first problem. The DR with the bullet and canister doesn't give me enough resolution in the original artwork for it to look good on the final product. So what I'm doing, I'm removing what yarn I've already tufted. After I've got that removed, I try a couple different sizes and fonts to figure out what size character I need to use. And at that point, I just kind of modify it into something that'll work. Alright, so now I'm inspecting the piece overall, looking for any thin areas, places that I need to touch up. Also, I'm starting the trimming process. Anywhere two colors come together, you need to trim it to give the lines a more detailed and crisp look. Now for a liberal application of carpet glue to bind the yarn to the primary tufting fabric. After the glue has had at least a day to cure, the next step is to remove the excess tufting fabric and get the non-skid backing cloth glued on. Then more trimming where two colors come together. More trimming. Always, always more trimming. And then when it gets too hot to trim outside, you got to take the mess inside. Now for the step in which it's the easiest to ruin an entire piece. The final shear. Getting all of the yarn down to a uniform height and trimming the edges to make them look nice. After the trim is complete, take a leaf blower to blow out all the little fibers and the project is done. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed this rug tufting video here on the Crosscut Crafters channel. Remember, this is one of several rugs that I'm planning to make from bunker branding imagery. Once again, the clues are, hey Demolitia, don't tell Mare that I smile more when I watch The Fat Electrician. Be sure you're subscribed to see those rugs. We'll see you then.